Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting permissions right. Enable voice chat in your Roblox account and confirm your age verification immediately so Roblox allows recording. Next, plug in or test a quality microphone and set it as your default device in system audio settings. Once done, open Roblox or Studio, accept the microphone prompt when asked. Make sure permissions persist by checking privacy settings, otherwise the app cannot record. These steps unlock the feature, so you can actually capture voice instead of hitting silent walls. You now perform the actual capture. In Studio, use the audio service or an in-game script that triggers recording. Developers often call microphone APIs to stream or save. Adjust gain and enable push-to-talk so background noise stays out. Monitor input with headphones to avoid clipping. If you prefer higher control, route the mic to an external recorder or loopback device and record locally. This gives better fidelity and formats. Once recorded, immediately save the raw file and label it for editing or uploading into Roblox assets. You finish by cleaning and exporting the clip. Normalize levels, trim silence, and export to an accepted format such as MP3 or OGG so Roblox accepts the file. Then upload it to the Create Audio section, give it a clear name, and apply appropriate use permissions or ID settings for your place. Once uploaded, assign the audio asset ID within scripts or sound objects. If no sound appears, check mic permissions, age verification, and that Roblox is updated. These are the common causes and usually fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.